Carney's silent strategy, how Canada outmaneuvered Trump's tariff tactics. While the world was busy watching yet another act of political theater, something extraordinary was happening in the background. Not with loud speeches, not with dramatic press conferences, but with quiet, calculated moves on the global chessboard. And the architect behind it? Mark Carney, Canada's Prime Minister, former central banker, and perhaps the most underestimated strategist in modern economic history. The loud threats versus the quiet game. In early 2025, President Trump shocked global markets with his announcement: 125% tariffs on Chinese goods, 25% tariffs on Canadian auto exports. The headlines exploded. Economists sounded alarms. Industries scrambled. And yet, amid the chaos, Canada didn't retaliate with fury. It responded with finesse. Mark Carney saw beyond the noise. He understood that in a hyper-connected financial world, real power lies not in threats, but in leverage. The bond market, Canada's quiet weapon. At the heart of Carney's strategy was a subtle shift. Canada holds $350 billion in U.S. Treasury bonds, a significant piece of America's financial lifeline. These bonds are what keep the U.S. government running, helping fund everything from infrastructure to military spending. Carney didn't need to sell everything. He just needed to signal. By hinting at a gradual sell-off, Canada sent a ripple through global markets. It was a warning shot, not with missiles, but with money. Other nations, Japan, Germany, and the EU, took notice. Quiet conversations turned into coordinated whispers. What if more countries followed suit? What if U.S. borrowing costs spiked? What if the dollar lost its aura of invincibility? The strategy worked. Just days after the tariffs were announced, the Trump administration paused enforcement. No chest thumping, no explanation, just silence. Officially, the pause was framed as a period for industry adjustment. But insiders knew better. The real reason? Financial pressure, global unity, economic leverage. Carney's strategy didn't just protect Canada's economy. It reminded the world of something bigger. That power doesn't always roar. That diplomacy doesn't have to shout. That strategy, when wielded well, is louder than threats. The new playbook of economic diplomacy. In a world where populist policies often dominate headlines, Canada quietly wrote a new chapter in global trade relations. One where intellect beats intimidation, where subtlety outpaces showmanship, and where calm minds can move markets more effectively than raised voices. If you found this analysis insightful, don't keep it to yourself. Like this video to boost its reach. Comment below. Do you think other nations will adopt similar economic strategies? Subscribe to DigiState for more sharp, in-depth geopolitical analysis that cuts through the noise. And share this video, because knowledge like this deserves a bigger audience. Stay informed. Stay empowered. See you in the next one.